mal ke chang dar chai nyor ko dung dit media ke chang wara ko pai bangwan karon kin dang raw de jandang raw de diech an mak bangut gok be nong lar tin lanu yeni chang ko dung dit media ke tin lar karodien ke jinub Sudan ke no win mon indodien wal ke chang wara ko pai bangwan tele lar ko ken de baga nong ye ge ro yanda ne chan je kon dial ke social media kata cha announcement cha la the Minister of Justice ke Republic of South Sudan ka accusation te ye kwen ke Riek Machar ke pot Kang ne o kien te ya yen kele ke rai ba ro jode long wale mi nyu je ko ne topic dan bala analysis ko what is behind ngumulot ke Machar keno so go ne yo ne mi ci jo mi ci jeg be share ko be like ko it is a hot topic that we all aware of it ke kon intir ngai kon wo charolat ne pan ma wale by president la first by president Dr Riek Machar la chairman of the SPLM IO cha suspend tiang war order from the justice the minister of justice kel kan ne de contain la allies ke opposition so chairman ne wo ju konde ala jag online chane kwen can all the charges to konde cha level against them kunguni anaga kwen anaga je so the question right on Jordan we cannot go back to the explanation of cha can me but we talk about one and in general which an uncle yes is a political motivated charge quite charge political motivated crime the chakana jeka but an nango and declaration a panelatke la announcement elatke Minister of Justice right ke beginning of it chetake continue the one and is a fake or fake nije good Minister of Justice can article the court the quick is the quick justify ke quick refer to she was very different article she get shot come on in case la case the right job fan but no the beginning of the case she paid so abuse the constitution of the country or justice minister me kuji wona na dere court and article and ku rajode katege je constitution nyamde so I want you wona it was fake a fake mera ude e wona ne the question me latke this following hours an AT analyst to take another one and uno dong a beginning of launch Dr Riek Machar an announcement efan dong took the ku balu process ke kola rai koni chang about the mounting pressure region grand toast la peace grand toast take on international community cha kuju Riek Machar jaga tijin cha kuju there is a political play the political game need to play in Juba they are watching till yesterday la bogo every day biga benga Juba ba de man kin lat ko lo Riek Machar along with ne de kon ya yen kel so we heard about all the rejection to la lat ke ken wo chine gorno mo ba ko lat self fakir ken kumed so question wo uno medong this time they realize and Riek Machar tada chaos arrest will not solve any problem in the country. Maybe they won't release him. They want to concede. With right lat ke ji wen mon, mal lat ke mal lat ke international community about to and now what mal ke junub Sudan. Maybe they want to concede. Ko kuyimo. Dongur kanu and to show that they can ka losers. Can ka losers ke their political action ne anang me Riek Machar me ayen ge they want to threaten as if taga ga nun mugorga baga nun bag waraken in that loose format. Badak mo talk one ne cha process of ganun kendo cha waraken. Brizol ko we kai kele malat ke bare mature. Baga allowed to go by President Salva Kiir you pardons they issued. Baga ne to baga palaga. In the name of one and never now mala, in the name of other conditions. To be on go one and never issued. Katai bandana when it all where pardon didn't way negotiate. So again the only thing an like some analysts school and we don't know, don't took there. Oh, they want to speed up the process to con the cha perform the can Badak President Salva Kiir. Bawa you and Najini ku pardon ku issued. So mulonishi ono nanga kon these two scenarios ko me ganun Lord can they will execute it. Riek Machar ba nanga court. They stand trial. Broad depend. Back is broad with witnesses. But I can jerry. So me Lord can go balat. Announcement ne panekwa anon keje. It cannot be like that. Riek Machar already Canada Kona and Kel they are in prison. There is no need for public announcements. What it need they would get someone go court. Which take substantial evidence that need court to call them. Announcement upon is a politically motivated. Why stir up no attention of the people in the country. Telebase. Telebase. So let us take it in that way. Who and treason church. We don't know. Don't a process of one and a guru balloon. We so by condition it can the corner we can get. Can go they don't want to look like they are losers. You can go to big George check losers. Ka decision they can reach an this is about the idea of one and don't alone you much Maloromo. Kia me true or Lorgania Bananka court. There are many things needed to be done. Panorajodian Tarago Corwat. Ko ngumude lat in case minang Riek Machar ko the puch michima ta na chalat ke jenta me kwa non Japan a justice minister. So in Africa we talk of East Africa alone because this year of 2025 take one of the opposition leaders to church the same you get to corner Riek Machar ya chai ke je one in East Africa alone our neighbor country we have very few examples. Tanzania, opposition leader, would mutually Tundu Lissu. Tundu Lissu, opposition leader Tanzania. Me chop. Me la de country then for reform. I check treason. Chawur mula chwale Kizza Bezegye ka Uganda. Take how many charge of treasons. Debretioun Gebremicheal of Ethiopia bo ka Tigray bo kana group no ka dia later kel chaga chai ke treason now the Riek Machar but what we know when it come to the point of when don't chai yen illegally in opposition leader and now people come to realize that there is no need for you to stay in prison for long guru bayu kamrar. Like all this nonsense back gathered back on. Like these people I read their name. Tundu Lissu, ka Tanzania, ka Kizza Bezegye ka Uganda, ka Debretioun, Gebremicheal, ka nga. Before you go to other part of the Africa. Because you're going to talk convicted. I mean, going to accuse ka treason only this year of 2025. So there is no difference. Dear. People don't worry of it. Go tell a surprise thing. Government Kia do is working. So anything that kind of on. But what we know, they will not take Dr. Riek Machar to the court, whatever it is, because there is no substantial evidence, no justification, no legal support, internationally, regionally. Thinking one, we talk about many of them. And like we didn't go in, could even social media. Then anyone in Congati are very happy like they are reaching the destination. You go down and go can be good. So group mete par college around. You can this is the end of Dr. Riek Machar. Maybe will go to the court with the Kel Bawich. And even yesterday, me and suspension, they were not happy. You can see even social media. You are quite dismissed. I suspension, I non. Because they know suspension can last for even some hour, and they lift it. Look at so that group Morocco and yes, this is the end of Riek Machar. They don't know this is not end of Riek Machar. Take a look. Gure, but know that and one and chicken end of Riek Machar, and even if which a lion of Riek Machar. Go a year go con ideality in Sudan. Nay Latgaje, Monday to count bystanders. Think we can either bust stand Latgaje. Jaguake. There are a lot of problems that will happen in South Sudan. Me take me Riek Machar Jacan of individual. Me take me Riek Machar Jacataran. So easy to South Sudan Bagua. And I don't think one of my desire of any person who is South Sudan I jerk forever. So Yaramanan Nangamola you win. This is maybe because euphoria you tell Lloyd long. Nyokrogo mi ready. Think again, this is not the end of Riek Machar. There are many opportunities today to work. So right now, nobody knows. Maybe this is the process. This is the beginning of his release. The process of Obaloi. For example, India content these people check treason. All this 2025 can neighboring country. We can other part of the Africa we just there 10 of thousand. This is check treason. This is a normal process, competition, political struggle. So, our surprise is young laba. We don't expect our leader. There can these issues there can paste to that extent. So, na di ran ko na Riek Machar de chop ko court. Reason and don't go. This is it. I can't no surprise. Otherwise, these are the normal process of politics. Our court, we still support him. Come on, lad. But take a breakthrough. Come you can't walk out whatever will happen, we are ready for it. With exception of women around a child one and never did much at God war. Okay, we have benefited at the Juba voluntarily. So, do you know can the Cora Jordan? And in summary, a wooden question legality of Raja Panayala, the Justice Minister, still in coma. International, regional, internally. Only a beginning of his speech. Should we? We are quote a very far article. Did you hear Commander and Lakete lad? We know the own and a lousy. She can tell a solid base. An announcement upon Bandebalman Gabanagaling, but at a garrotin. Again, and Wobanayan. Kiabana charge treason. It's not only in our country. There are many countries. Example we give them. Our neighbor. One guy. So this is a normal process. Political competition. Struggle. So ko no yene de konta lo dun ko Riek Machar icha en you think again nyok char. Chara ko ne are you really realistic? Okay, you need to go back and think again. Ko hel Riek Machar cha en. Okay, this is normal process yatana lane. So this is what we call a day. Banang won murai kon jodian go wan ka ken kon la rodian ken kezum. And thanks for your listening.